Hello, good day to all of you. My name is Blair and welcome to another Science School. Today we're going to make our homemade solar panel by using some simple electronics and with the LEDs connection and all those stuff. So welcome to our homemade solar panel. This is the Station 10. So we have our Station 10 right here for our homemade solar panel. We have our bridge boards right here, plus our flashlight and some connectors and LEDs ready for our experiment. I have my LED right now, so you have to line up the positive and the negative terminal into one array. So as you can see, we have all those indications. The positive will be the red and the negative will be on the blue. Of course, I have to connect this one into some simple circuitry and with the help of the multimeter. So I'm using the multimeter right here. It is a simple multimeter. It is digital so that it will be very accurate. And at the same time, I have my alligator clip right here, just in case to connect some connection. For the breadboard, we have our pin lines right here so that we could connect it to the alligator clip and get some reading in our multimeter. And at the same time, you need a flashlight to make it work. So let's begin to make our homemade solar panel. So as you can see, we have our breadboard plus our LED. We have our pin connection, alligator clip, plus our flashlight, and the multimeter. I use a digital one so that we could have the correct reading for this experiment. So as you can see, we have our diode right here, which is our light emitting diode. How to know which one is the positive right here in our diode? So we have the positive right here, the long one, and the short one is our negative. You can also see it right here. The positive is the smaller one, and we have the bigger one is our negative side. To make our homemade solar panel, you have to put all the positive into our bridge board right here. As you can see, you could see the positive and negative. So let's insert it right here. So all the positive and negative will be in the same polarity. So let's try to see. Let's connect our connection. So the black one is our negative and the white one is our positive. So now let's use the multimeter. Let's set it into 20 volts. And then, so you use the alligator clip for the positive. This one is positive. And the negative will be on the black side. So as you can see, we have some voltage already. We are emitting about 0.3 volts. So let's use the flashlight to bring more light. So we have 1.5 volts. If we remove the flashlight away from the LED, so we only have 0.03 volts. What if we turn this one so we don't have any voltage coming in? So as a simple diagram right here, as we have different LEDs lined up with the positive and negative terminal and output going towards our alligator clip towards our multimeter, we have our homemade solar panel. It will not be very effective, but it will explain the photovoltaic effect on our solar panel. That's it for our homemade solar panel. I'm Teacher Blair, your science, computer, mathematics, and your engineering teacher. Bye for now and see you in the next adventure.